So in the last video we have seen how we can start the session and what was the security perspective, how we can edit the session. Now we'll start with sharing the screen and how we can use the pen tool and all, right? So let's start. So now click on the share and I have opened a PPT. Let's share the PPT. Okay, so this is my PPT. So everybody can see now this PPT, and click on the full screen button. Okay, so I have done that full screen. So anytime I can stop it and I can reshare it. Got it? I can stop it anytime I need to go there. I can stop it and I can reshare it as well. Also you can see on the top everything is here. What is EnnoNet? EnnoNet is nothing but you have the text, you have drawing, any type of stuff you can take it from here, use it. Spotlight, eraser, colors, which type of colors you want. If I click on drawing, I clicked it. This is a pen, so I can use this. I can change my color here and I can do it. Okay, this is one way. And how to clear this? You need to clear all drawings, clear my drawings, clear viewer drawings. If somebody else is use it, then you need to click this. My drawing is mine. If they are viewers, then you need to click this. Otherwise, what you need to do, you can go to eraser and select one by one. That also you can do it. If you want to delete only one thing, not everything, then use it eraser. Okay, let me show you another options also. So you can click on right click. Okay, then go to the pointer options, click this pen. First click the color, which color you want, and select pen. So what will happen in this scenario? See this. So I can do now everything, and in this scenario I can change the slide. I'll show you the difference between this. So I can teach directly, I can draw something, I can draw a box, I can write it here also through my mouse or using keyboard mouse. So what is the difference of doing or selecting this pen and this EnnoNet pen? I'll show you the difference. Now I have written this yellow color through this, right? Let me change the slide. Let me change the slide now. See, I'm trying to change the slide, but it is not happening for me. Now, why this is happened? Because I need to remove this, I need to close this, then only it will work. See, but this thing is not getting erased. If I'll go to next slide also, I can see this, but the red things is not visible for me for the next slide. Correct? So that's why we need to always go here, clear things, close it, and then only I can go move ahead with the next slides. But if I will be selecting through this pen, at that point of time it's not required for me to remove everything and then change the slide. See, I have drawn something I have done it, I have just marked it, I have corrected it, given a tick mark. If I'll go to next slide, nothing is there. I can easily move to the next slide. I can go back to the previous slide and I can see what I have done it. So this is the benefits and difference between two ways of writings. Okay, so this is the basic stuffs. The more you will play around with this tool, you will get to know, you will understand more better way. So hope this is a helpful sessions for you. Fine. So you need to just click on stop. This is the last options I can say, and close the meeting. End meeting for all. Leave meeting will allow you only to leave it. end meeting for all, it's allowed to end the session so that the video's recording will be over and it can get saved on your place. Okay, so I'll click on end meeting. That's over. So fine, I think we have a better idea about it now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you.